tigers, temples, and sticky waterfalls? Oh my! Take it away, voiceover guy.
Let me tell you about my amazing day in Chiang Mai, folks. Normally, this tour is a group experience, but guess what? We got upgraded to a private tour, and it was absolutely fantastic. Our guide, Yosita, was incredible, knowledgeable, friendly, and made the whole experience unforgettable. We kicked off the day at the sticky waterfalls. These waterfalls are something else. You can actually climb up them because of the unique limestone structure. It's like nature's own playground. I had a blast splashing around and taking in the beautiful scenery. Everyone was having such a great time, just tremendous fun.
From the moment we arrived, I was impressed by how family-friendly the place is. The unique limestone rocks allow you to climb up the waterfalls without slipping. It's like nature's very own playground. Alyssa was thrilled as she discovered she could stick to the rocks and show off her gymnastics talents. She felt invincible, climbing up and splashing around in the cool water, all while I watched with a smile on my face. The setting is absolutely beautiful, surrounded by lush greenery and serene nature. It's a perfect spot for a family picnic after some climbing and playing. We spent hours exploring, laughing, and taking pictures, creating memories that I'll cherish forever. One of the best parts? The entrance is completely free. This makes it an ideal day trip without breaking the bank. Plus, the park has made great improvements to ensure safety with sturdy paths and handrails in place. After adventuring at the sticky waterfalls, we all left feeling refreshed and happy. It was a fantastic way to start the day while enjoying the beauty of nature. Definitely a must-visit for any family traveling to Chiang Mai.
Oh, wow. This is fun. Hey, can you guys just elaborate a little bit more on our behalf? I mean, so that we can just play a little longer?
Absolutely, Blake. I mean, these waterfalls are absolutely incredible. You wouldn't believe it, folks. When I first heard about these waterfalls, I thought, what a unique idea. You can actually climb them? It's true. The rocks are special, so you stick right to them. It's like nature has created its own playground for everyone to enjoy. As I got there, I saw families having a great time. Kids were laughing and splashing around. So much joy in one place. I said to myself, this is what it's all about. Fun and family. The scenery stunning. The lush greenery surrounding the waterfalls is beautiful. You take a look around and it feels like you're in paradise. I climbed up those waterfalls. Yes, I did. It was thrilling. You feel like a champion conquering nature, folks. And the water is so refreshing. Everyone was taking pictures, capturing memories that will last forever. Believe me, you want to share this with your friends, they will be so jealous. And let's not forget how easy it is for families. It's safe for kids, which is huge. Parents can relax knowing their little ones are having a blast without any worries. I love that, so if you're ever in Chiang Mai, make sure to visit the Sticky Waterfalls. It's a tremendous experience. One of those places that truly makes you appreciate the beauty of nature and the joy of spending time with loved ones. You'll leave feeling energized and happy, just fantastic.
Hey, thanks guys. Hey, well, next up we have the Tiger Kingdom, where they let you in the cages with tigers. We went to Tiger Kingdom. It wasn't part of our tour, but they said since it was just us, they said, yeah, we can go stop by Tiger Kingdom. And so while we're here at Tiger Kingdom, they said these are medium cats. They do not look very medium to me. They're very huge.
Welcome to Tiger Kingdom, folks. Let me tell you, this place is tremendous. You've got the chance to see some of the most beautiful and majestic animals in the world. Tigers, folks, real tigers. And let me just say, it's an experience like no other. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Are these tigers safe? Well, let me assure you, Tiger Kingdom prioritizes safety. They have trained professionals who know these animals inside and out. They're experts. They handle the tigers with care and respect. You can feel confident that they're taking all the necessary precautions to keep both the visitors and the animals safe. You can pet baby tigers and even interact with some of the older ones. It's a unique opportunity to get up close and personal with these magnificent creatures. Believe me, it's something you won't forget. But remember, folks, these are still wild animals at heart. You have to be respectful and follow the guidelines provided by the staff. They know what they're doing. And let's talk about the environment. Tiger Kingdom is committed to providing a safe and comfortable space for these tigers. They focus on their well-being, ensuring they are well-fed and cared for. It's important that we support places that treat animals right while also giving people a chance to learn and appreciate them. So, if you're looking for an adventure that combines excitement with education, Tiger Kingdom is the place to be. You'll leave with incredible memories and a newfound appreciation for these beautiful animals. Just remember to respect the rules, enjoy the experience, and take lots of pictures. It's going to be huge.
Fire in my eyes, burning bright like the sun. Feel the rhythm in my veins, can't be undone. I'm like a wild tiger ready to attack. Unleashing my energy, ain't no turning back. Feeling the beat, it's taking control. Moving my body from my head to my toe. The bass is pulsating, my heart starts to race. In this dance of passion, I find my grace. I'm a force of nature, wild and free. Roaming through the night, pure electricity. The crowd's on fire, feeling the heat. Together we rise, dancing to the beat. Fire in my eyes, burning bright like the sun. Feel the rhythm in my veins, can't be undone. I'm like a wild tiger.
After being locked in cages with A-list predators, it would be nice to do something a little less intense. Luckily for us, next on the agenda is a butterfly garden.
At the butterfly garden, it was like stepping into a dream. So many colorful butterflies fluttering around. I felt like I was in a magical place. Let me share some fascinating facts about butterflies, folks. These incredible creatures are not just beautiful. They play a vital role in our ecosystem. First, butterflies undergo a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis. They start as eggs, hatch into caterpillars, form a chrysalis, and finally emerge as stunning butterflies. It's a truly amazing process. Butterflies are also essential pollinators, helping to fertilize flowers as they move from bloom to bloom. This is crucial for the growth of many plants, including fruits and vegetables. Did you know there are about 17,500 species of butterflies worldwide? Each one has unique colors and patterns, making them one of the most diverse groups of insects. Most butterflies have a short lifespan, usually living only a few weeks to a few months, but some can live up to a year, especially those that migrate long distances like the monarch butterfly. Unfortunately, they face threats like habitat loss and climate change, so it's important for us to take action to protect their habitats. So remember, butterflies are not just pretty, they're vital to our environment. Let's do everything we can to preserve these wonderful creatures.
Just because she said you're pretty doesn't mean you got to buy from her, babe. Well, hello, random dog taking a nap. Okay, we're walking up, and we only have another 300 more steps to go. I mean, that's my best guess. There's 360 steps, which in Vung Tau, we learned they had 1,000 steps. So this should be a walk in the park for us. I mean, as you can tell, I'm not out of breath at all. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's our tour guide, Yosita. Hi, Yosita. I can't say enough about her. She did an amazing job. Tony on our first tour, he did a great job. Yosita, amazing job. Okay, we have finally reached the inside of the temple, like the inner sanctum. This is where we remove our flip-flops, and we have to cover our legs. Well, the females have to cover their legs. My wife was prepared. Alyssa needed to put on some sort of skirt wrap, and then here we go. We're going inside.
This temple is truly breathtaking, perched high on a mountain with stunning views of Chiang Mai below. Climbing those steps was worth every bit of effort. The magnificent golden Chetty Tower is about 79 feet high. It's covered in gold leaf and glimmers in the sunlight. Just beautiful. Pilgrims come from all over to leave lotus blossoms and offerings at the shrines surrounding the Chetty. It's a place filled with peace and spirituality. And let's not forget about the cultural significance. This temple is not just a tourist attraction, it's an active monastery where monks live and practice their faith. You can even participate in meditation sessions if you're interested. So, if you're ever in Chiang Mai, make sure to visit Doi Suthep. It's an experience that combines history, spirituality, and breathtaking views. All in one fantastic location. You won't regret it.
The last stop on our trip is not as well known and is referred to as the Hidden Temple. Yosida, our tour guide, informed us that if you stand up a coin on this stone, you'll receive good luck. However, we tried it and she was the only one successful at doing it. Maybe I did it once. I don't remember. Either way, the Hidden Temple was a nice break from the hustle and bustle of city life. We started this tour of nature and we're ending it full circle back in nature and in this nice peaceful environment. We'll leave you with that, with some more scenes of the Hidden Temple. But until next time, bye-bye.